everyone, let's make these beautiful white flowers using pipe cleaners. So take this white pipe cleaner, fold it into half. Now we are going to make a flower petal design like this. Tie a knot using another pipe cleaner. Similar way, we are going to add more pipe cleaners to the center and remove it from the middle hole like this. Now add more layers and repeat the same process. Here we are going to cover the entire petal like this. So roll the pipe cleaner one after another and remove it through the center hole like this. Do the same from other side as well, and look, it is ready. Now bend all of them and give it a shape like we are doing here. Press it from its corners as well. Now we are going to put this yellow pipe cleaner at the center. So tie a knot and paste it at the center using hot glue gun. Now tie a knot and cover it using fluoro tape. Color it and look, it is ready. Look at this beautiful lotus flower. Let's make it using pipe cleaners. Look how pretty these are looking. For that, we are going to bend this green pipe cleaner. Tie a knot like we are doing here. Now using another pipe cleaner, you have to bend it till 5 cm. You can also increase and decrease the size according to the leaf size, and repeat the same process over and over again. Tie it like we are doing here. After this, we are going to take another pipe cleaner and put it at the edges like this. Now roll all of them and make a dome shape like this. Cut the extra part of the green pipe cleaner and look, it's ready. Similar way, we are going to take green stick and roll this pipe cleaner on the top of it. Paste it using hot glue gun. Now put it at the center of the leaf like this, and look, your beautiful lotus leaf is ready. Paste another stick at the base and look, it's done. Look at these beautiful flowers. How pretty these are looking. Let's make it. Here we are going to cut this white pipe cleaners into half. Again, fold all of them like this. Now using one pipe cleaner, we are going to tie a knot and bend it like this. Similar way, tie knot like this. All of them like this. Make a flower petal. Now make more such flower petals. Keep it aside. Similar way, we are going to tie another knot on the white pipe cleaner. Spread all the sticks of the pipe cleaner. Tie a knot and make a flower petal as well like this. Again, we are going to tie a knot like this, and at the end using one pipe cleaner, spread all the petals, and you have to increase the size of the flower petal this time, and look, it's ready. After this, we're going to put all the flower petals on this green stick one after another. You can paste it using hot glue gun, or you can also tie it using a rubber band. Now we are making this beautiful yellow flower and put it at the center. Put it inside the stick like this, and look, it's ready. We're going to make these beautiful flowers using pipe cleaner. So take this purple color of pipe cleaner, hold it from one end and tie a knot, roll it like this and fix it like we're doing here. Now you can give it shape by pressing it and combine both of them together. Now cover the petals using another pipe cleaner like this, and look, it's ready. After this, take another pipe cleaner of the same size and roll it as well. Here we are making a small size of petal like this. Similar way, make more different sizes of petals like this and keep it aside. Finally, we are going to combine all of them. Put all the petals one after another on the stick like this. Finally, put the large one at the corner. Spread some color on the top of it like this using this brush, and add some sparkles as well. And look, your beautiful flowers are ready. You can gift it to your loved ones. Thank you so much for watching this video.